It's an eagle, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it is. It is a young eagle. There was a complaint there and I didn't get it.
I got that perfectly.
They're complaining.
Don't land in my territory.
He's okay. There's another one just sitting out there. Oh, there's a heron eating a fish. He just swallowed the whole thing. So, yeah.
There's two of them.
There's more than that.
No, flying.
Oh, yeah. I gotta try and get in focus.